Sen, sing the same song.
Just anyway. Anyway.
Anyway.
The way I would sing it?
Yeah. I want to hear Sen. Then we're going to do something.
Just more na ballad. Ballad.
Tapos we'll get girls naman na are going to get Giselle. Alam mo, Christina, luma na yung gimmick na pag nagtatawag ako, may papel ka.
Whatever you want. Whatever you want. Forget what I said if it doesn't apply to you. But whatever you want.
It does apply to me.
It's yours.
I'm just thinking how to.
What?
I'm just trying to see how to get it out. How do I let it out of me?
Whatever that is. Whatever that is.
That's what I want to get out because I know maybe I'm getting boring because I'm not edgy enough. But how do I?
Don't act it out, man. Don't act it out. Remember... Mayroon. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna intro, ah.
Mayroon akong nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig. Matagal na kong naghihintay. Ngunit mayroon kang ibang minamahal. Kung kaya ako'y di mo pinapansin, ngunit ganon pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa iyo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na natuko ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako.
Okay. Ganito, Miguel. Miguel Rizal. Kumanta yung dalawa. Parehong kanta. Pareho ba ang dating ng kanta sa inyo?
Hindi po.
Chris, comment mo kay Miguel.
Kay Miguel, parang medyo, di ko alam, kung kumagayat medyo dark pag siya kumanta.
Dark, okay?
Parang dark po yung pagkakanta niya.
Bakit mo nasabing dark? No, Chris, you're right. That's your opinion, so we will take it. Because we're studying individuality ng approach, eh. Bakit dark?
Nakikita po rin kasi yung boses niya, first of all, kasi malamig. Tapos, nakikita sa mukha niya, parang, tsaka parang sad, yung dating ng para sa akin.
Okay. Kay Sen?
Kay Sen, parang naano niya, nade-deliver niya yung song na parang, mayroon ako nais, parang nararamdaman ko yung song.
So, I mean, Chris, dun bang kay Miguel, hindi mo naramdaman?
Nararamdaman ko rin po, pero mas sadness. Yung kay Sen, medyo tawag dito, longing doon sa girl, pero hindi siya sobrang depressed. Hindi ko lang...
Ay, shit. You know what word you're avoiding? Mabigat. Mabigat. Nung